So just because it's got three things doesn't change what I do. I convert this into fraction exponents: 9/3, 16/3, 41/3. Each one of them I'm going to turn into a mixed number. That's going to just be x to the third. There's no fraction part to it. Y to the 5 1/3 and m to the 13 2/3. All right, so 13 2/3. So now I'm going to rearrange this here. So it's going to be x to the third, y to the fifth, m to the 13th, and then I'm going to put the fractions last here. 1/3, m to the 2/3. And I'm just rearranging this so it's easier to turn it back into a radical exponent. So the radical part's going to have a third root because it's got third on the bottom, 3 on the bottom of each of the fractions. A y to the first, which does not need a 1, and an m to the second. That's what's under the radical because that's what's right there with the fractions. And the x to the third, y to the fifth, m to the 13th all lives right there in front of it. Try to make sure that your numbers don't run into the root. Mine's pretty close. Just make sure that we can see what's actually happening in your answer.